Hello guys. Yellow color, black color, purple color, brown color, light green color, orange color, violet color, red color, sky blue color, dark blue color, dark green color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets and shapes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. A. A for aeroplane. Orange color. B. B for books. Light green color. C. C for cake. Violet color. D. D for dog. Yellow color. E. E for elevator. Sky blue color. F. F for flowers. Purple color. G. G for goat. Dark blue color. H. H for horse. Dark green color. I. I for iron. Brown color. J. J for juice. Square. Circle. Triangle. Heart. Star. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Purple color. Sky blue color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye. Hello. Let's learn some colors. Black color, purple color, dark green color, orange color, red color, brown color, yellow color, light blue color. Let's learn some numbers and shapes. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Let's learn some shapes. Triangle, circle, heart, star, square. Light blue color. Number 1. Number 1. Purple color. Number 2. Number 2. Red color. Number 3. Number 3. Orange color. Number 4. Number 4. Black color. Number 5. Number 5. Violet color. Number 6. Number 6. Yellow color. Number 7. Number 7. Dark green color. Number 8. Number 8. Brown color. Number 9. Number 9. Light green color. Number 10. Number 10. Red color. Triangle. Pink color. Circle. Orange color. Heart. Violet color. Star. Light green color. Square. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Red color triangle. Pink color circle. violet color star. Light green color square. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos.